Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your days at home. So today we will do chapter number 5, rotational and circular motion, all examples and exercise numericals. So let's start. Example 5.2 is, in a carnival ride the passenger travel in a circle of radius 5 meter making complete circle in 4 seconds. What is the acceleration? Example number 5.2, we are given with radius. Radius is 5 meter and the time is 4 seconds. 4 seconds. We have to find acceleration. Acceleration is equal to v square divided by r. And r is given, we can find v by this formula. V is equal to 2 pi r divided by d. Put the value of v in this equation. So v is equal to 5 divided by time is 4. So we get the value of v 7.85 meter per second. Now we will put this value of v in equation in acceleration value. So it will be 7.85 square divided by 5 divided by 5. Yes. So it would be 12.32. 0.2 is an aeroplane drives along a curved path of radius r and velocity v. The centripetal acceleration is 10 meter per second square. If both velocity and radius are double, what will be the new acceleration? So we are only given with centripetal acceleration, which is 10 meter per second. Data we are given only with the centripetal acceleration. AC is given by 10 meter per second square. We have to find the new acceleration. I am writing it n here for new acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is given by v square divided by r. If we double velocity and radius, v 2v, and if we double the velocity it would be 2v, and if we double the radius it would be 2r. So 4 square 2 square divided by 2r. The 2 2's are, so here would be 2v square divided by r. Now if we take the 2 separately, so here we will write a new dot v square divided by r. V square divided by r is equal to centripetal acceleration. So we can write here 2 into centripetal acceleration. So centripetal acceleration value is given 10. So 2 multiplied by 10. We find the new acceleration, which is 2 into 10, 20 meter per second square.